In this video, we will continue our discussion on working with layers in InDesign CS6. You can hide or display any layer, or you can hide or display objects on a layer. Hidden layers and objects can't be edited and don't appear on screen or in print. Hiding layers can be useful when you want to hide parts of a document that are not meant to appear in the final document, hide alternative versions of a document, simplify the display of a document to make it easier to edit other parts of the document, and prevent a layer from printing. First, it's important to display the Layers panel if needed. If you'd like to hide or show one layer at a time, click the eye at the far left of a layer name. When the eye is displayed, the layer is visible. When the eye is not displayed, the layer is invisible. To show or hide individual objects on a layer, click the disclosure triangle to view all objects on the layer, and then click the icon to show or hide the object. To hide all layers except the selected layer, or to hide all objects on a layer except the selected object, select the Layers panel menu and select Hide Others. Or alternatively, you have the option of doing an Alt-click on a PC or an Opt-click on a Mac to the eye on the far left side of the layer or object you want to remain visible. Finally, to show all layers, select the Layers panel menu and select Show All Layers. Alternatively, you could do an Alt-click on a PC or Opt-click on a Mac on the eye on the far left side of the visible layer or object to show all layers or all objects in a layer. If you'd like to set a layer as a non-printing layer, first select the layer, select the Layers panel menu, and then select Layer Options for and then the name of the layer. Within the Layer Options dialog box, uncheck the box that says Print Layer. Click OK when finished. Locking a layer is useful for preventing accidental changes to a layer. There's nothing worse than spending time on a project doing damage control because you unintentionally made changes to an existing layer. A locked layer displays a crossed-out pencil icon in the Layers panel. Objects on locked layers cannot be selected or edited directly. However, if objects on locked layers have attributes that can be edited indirectly, they will change. For example, if you edit a tint swatch, objects on locked layers using that tint swatch will reflect the change. Similarly, putting a series of threaded text frames on both locked and unlocked layers will not prevent text on locked layers from recomposing. You can lock a layer or objects on a layer in several ways. First, you can click the square in the second column from the left to lock or unlock the layer. Notice once you've locked the layer, a small lock icon displays next to the name of the layer. Or you can lock all layers except the target by selecting the Layers panel menu and selecting Lock Others. Also, you could do an Alt-click on a PC or Alt-click on a Mac on the square to the left of the layer you want to remain unlocked. Finally, you can unlock all layers by selecting the Layers panel menu and choosing Unlock All Layers. You may delete an existing layer within your document as well. Keep in mind that although each layer is document-wide and is not specific to the spread you're currently viewing, before deleting the layer, hide all other layers first, and then turn each page of the document to verify that it is safe to delete the remaining objects. Working through this process will ensure that you do not accidentally delete something important. To delete a layer, you can drag a layer from the Layers panel to the Delete icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, or choose Delete Layer and then the layer's name from the Layers panel menu. If you'd like to delete multiple layers, hold Control on a PC or Command on a Mac while you click the layers to select them. Then you can drag the layers from the Layers panel to the Delete icon like I just displayed, or you can choose Delete Layers from the Layers panel menu. If you'd like to delete all empty layers, choose Delete Unused Layers in the Layers panel menu. To delete an object on a layer, select the object in the Layers panel and then click the Delete icon. There may come a time when you need to reduce the number of layers in a document, but you don't want to delete any objects. You can accomplish this by merging layers. When you merge layers, objects from all selected layers are moved to the target layer. After merging, the target layer will be the only remaining layer within the document and the others will be deleted. You can also flatten a document by merging all of the layers. To merge layers, first select the layers. Ensure that you have included the layer that you want to use as the target as the final merged layer. Click any selected layer to make it the target, and then select the Layers panel menu and choose Merge Layers from the list. This concludes our tutorial on working with layers within InDesign CS6. Although there is a lot of information to take in, working with layers can help you keep your objects separated to reduce the risk of accidentally changing or deleting content, which will save you a lot of time and a lot of frustration in the future.